This is the temple of Solomon that my Djedo has built. It's in Lego. It's not something that you can buy in shops. He's worked it out himself on how to do it. It's taken some years to build it because he got very sick in between, and it's difficult to get all the pieces that he has wanted over the period of time. But it's now finally finished, and over the next few weeks, months maybe, he'll put up videos of the process of getting to this point. This is an exact replica of Solomon's temple at around about 1 to 100, or 100 to 1. I'm not sure which way the ratio goes. There are some things that are slightly out of whack because of the size of Lego bricks and Lego pieces. So they're maybe slightly smaller or larger than what the real temple was. But we'll tell you all about that as time goes on.